Welcome to the second video, wherein we will provide a step-by-step guide on how to input progress card and MS, domain-wise by their respective subject teacher. The first step to log into MS Portal as a registered teacher for students' data entry. You need to open a web browser and go to the official MS login page. Your login credentials will be mailed to your respective email account. After entering your user ID and password in their respective fields, fill the CAPTCHA code and click the login button. Upon successful login, the system redirects you to the dashboard. The message of successful login will be delivered in your dashboard. Now click on HPC tab that is on the left-hand side of the web page to start entering data of students. Click on the Edit button that is under the Action column. This will take you to the student's profile. Under the Profile section, most of the data will be auto-populated, however, you can also put in the data manually if needed some correction. Scroll down to the Attendance section and fill in the number of working days, and after scrolling further down, fill in the interest of the respective student. Message that your data is saved successfully will be shown in a green inbox on your web page. After that, go on to the next section, Physical Development. Therein you would have to select the domain competencies of your student. You can select max 2 domains for a student as per their respective term, and then click on the Save button to successfully save your data input. After that, you would have to fill in the supplementary details of the student in their selected domain by clicking on the Follow-up tab. Term 1 Activity 1. At the end of the page, you will find the heading Assessment Rubric. You will have to grade only one of the options, however you will have to specify for every of the options available. Click the Save button before proceeding further. Similarly, fill in the details for other activity if you have assigned another domain to the student. Then we have teacher and parents' notes that would have to be filled at the end of each respective term. And click the Save button when you are ready to proceed further. Similarly, fill in by clicking your other assigned domain for the data collection. There are many domains shown on your web page. Fill in accordance with the domain assigned by your head admin. If you are not assigned to another domain, there will be a note displaying that you are not assigned to this domain. The last on the to-do list is the academic year summary. Fill in the required details as per your keen observation and discernment for the progress card of a student. After filing, click the Save button to finally submit the data of a student, the confirmation of which will be shown in a green boxed message. If you want to print the HPC of the student, click the Back to List button. And then click on the Print button under the Action head.
Thank you for watching.